The Skin Chef is back with yet another exciting video. In today's video, I'll be making a tutorial on how to make a repair blast soap for damaged bleached skin. Guys, if you are having a damaged skin due to bleaching product, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to make this repair blast soap. I'm going to write down all the ingredients I'll be using for this formulation. Guys, this soap is amazing. This soap is very effective. This soap is very strong. So this is one of our best seller. This is not peanut butter. This is repair black soap made from the scratch. So guys, relax and watch this video to the very end. I'm going to take you through step by step of how I made this amazing soap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dejimira Naturals. This channel is all about making skincare product from the scratch, making product reviews, and also sharing tips on how to lose weight and stay healthy. If you are interested in this kind of content, please kindly hit the red button below so you can subscribe to my channel and join this great family. Feel free also to share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime there is an upload coming from me. Guys, today's video is an interesting video. Are you having issues with your skin? Did you use bleaching products and your skin is damaged beyond repair, or you've tried so many products to repair your skin and nothing seems to work? Guys, don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a creamy repair black soap. Guys, this is one of our best seller. This soap is selling like mad. So guys, this soap is going to repair bleached skin. This soap is going to repair damaged skin. This soap is going to treat different skin issues. So guys, relax and watch this video to the very end. So the number one ingredient on my list is our paste black soap. If you've not watched the video I dropped early this week, please kindly go and watch that video. I talked about this paste black soap. This black soap is doing wonders. As I'm talking to you, we just have few left. If you've not made, if you are into soap making and you are finding it difficult to work with maybe Ghana soap or any of the soap, just try this our paste black soap. It's very easy for you to work with. There is no need for you to use much and start going through the stress of pounding. This is how it is, very soft. This is how it is, very soft. So this is the number one ingredient on my list. I'll be using our paste black soap for this formula. So I will keep this aside while I weigh out other ingredients I'll be using for this formulation. So the number one ingredient on my list is moringa powder. Guys, this moringa powder is doing wonders. This is a very strong powder. This powder provides a protective barrier for your skin. It repairs your skin from damage by pollution or free radicals. This powder fights acne. It clears spots, different skin issues. If you're having issues, this is the best powder for you to use. So I'll be using this powder. I'm going to measure out. This is the moringa powder. Let me show it. Sorry, I'm using the back part of my camera, so I don't know if you are seeing it. So this moringa powder, I'm going to measure out the one I'm going to use. This is not your regular black soap, guys. If you try this black soap, you'll be amazed by the result you are going to get. So I'll weigh out all my powders. So okay. So the next powder on my list is my matcha tea powder. Guys, this matcha tea powder, it has antibacterial, which is very helpful in reducing inflammation, and it also helps to clear uneven skin tone. It has antioxidant. It is also known for reducing acne. It increases elasticity. It fights inflammation. It controls acne. It gets rid of excess oil. Guys, this powder is one in a million. Although it is pricey, but it is very very strong, very very effective. Matcha green tea powder. This is one of the ingredients I'll be using for this repair black soap. Guys, this is not your regular black soap. Like I said, I'll take it back and measure out the quantity I want to use. Take it back to 0. It is very important you measure out your ingredient accordingly. You don't just put your ingredient, you have to measure it out. Measurement is very important in natural skincare. Once you miss out on your measurements, then it is good as you making nothing. So I have to be very careful. I have to get the right measurement, or else I'll be in trouble. Okay, so that is that for that. The next one on my list is baobab powder. Guys, I don't know if you've heard about this powder, but this powder is the bomb. This powder is high in vitamin C. This powder helps to increase the collagen. It also helps firm a sagging skin. It repairs damaged skin, it clears blemishes from the skin, and it contains a high level of protein that keeps the skin supple and youthful. Guys, this powder is the bomb. So this is one of the ingredients I'll be using for this creamy repair black soap for bleach and damaged skin. So I'm going to measure out the amount I'm going to use. Guys, like I said, this is not your regular soap maker. This is the black soap goddess. The outcome of this soap is going to amaze you. Apart from the outcome, the effectiveness of this soap, you're going to be marveled at the effectiveness of this soap. This soap is so effective. It will not just repair your skin alone, it will leave your skin radiant, it will leave your skin glowing. It's going to do an amazing work on your skin. I have to be careful. I have to be careful with my measurements. I have to get the exact measurement that I need. Measurement is the key, guys. When you are making natural skincare products, you have to be very careful with your measurement. Once you miss out on your measurement, your product will not turn out very well. So I have to be very careful. Okay, so that is it. So the last one on my list is our dragon fruit powder. Guys, this dragon fruit powder is packed with different nutrients. It prevents free radicals, it repairs damaged skin, it fights premature aging, it makes your skin glow, it clears blemishes, acne, uneven skin tone from the skin. If you are battling with dark spot, like body dark spot, it's going to clear it. It's going to moisturize your skin. That is the work of the dragon fruit powder. If you are not using all these powders in your soap, then guys, you are missing a lot. So let me weigh out the percentage I'm going to use for this formula. Guys, if you need any of these powders, we have them in stock. Like I said, we sell original powders. I have to be careful with my measurement. Okay, that is all for the measurement. Then the last on my list is, we have, let me take this down. I'm done with the botanical powders that I need for this formula. So I'll be measuring out my oil. So I'll be making use of my neem oil. You guys know neem oil is very good. Neem oil contains a fatty acid Neem oil has antioxidant, it has antimicrobial compounds, it helps fight skin infection, it promotes wound healing, it combats signs of aging, it clears eczema from the skin, it clears blemishes from the skin as well. Neem oil is very, very powerful. This oil you are seeing is very, very powerful. So I'm going to use it in my formulation. So let me measure out what I want. Okay, so this is all I want for my formulation. So the next I'm going to show you other ingredients as I start mixing them together. I'm going to introduce other ingredients to you. So this is our black soap. This is our black soap. I've weighed out the black soap. This is the quantity I need. So I'll start mixing. So these are the ingredients, the botanical powders that I weighed out just now. I'm going to add them to my black soap. So guys, one of the ingredients I'll be using for this formulation is honey. So guys, this is original honey. Make sure that if you want to make it, look for original honey, original one, not fake or adulterated one. You look for original honey. So this is one of the ingredients I'll be using. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply. Honey exfoliates the skin. It lightens scars. It also fights blemishes. So this is one of the ingredients. Like I said, we have all the ingredients for sale. So I'm going to measure out the one I'm going to use. Guys, this soap is so rich, packed with so many nourishing ingredients. So that is, as I'm mixing, I'll be showing you other ingredients I'll be using. So this is my honey. I'm going to add it gradually. So I've added all my honey. Don't want to waste any of the ingredients. I have to scrape everything out. Okay. So start mixing. Imagine this soap on your skin. Please, if you are having bleached skin, your skin is damaged due to skin bleaching, try out this. Just try this out. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the red button below. Subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, you like and share. I'll be able to share more formulas. So I still have other ingredients left. I'm still going to introduce you to the other ingredients. Hi guys, so I've turned it into my mixer to enable it mix all ingredients very well. So guys, this is the highlight of the video. This is our herbal soap booster. Our herbal soap booster. You cannot see it anywhere. So this is the game changer in this formulation, herbal soap mixer. So I'm going to put it while I on my mixer. in here I have my herbal mix, I have my preservative, and I also have my fragrance in here. So guys, we're going to try to mix it. Can you see? Can you see our creamy soap? Just like peanut butter. Can you see? So, hi guys, so this is our repair soap after 24 hours. I have to leave it for 24 hours. So our repair black soap is ready for bleached skin. You can see the texture. This is not your regular soap. This is not the regular soap you see everywhere. See the way it is, like peanut butter. Imagine this luxurious soap on a bleached, damaged skin. This soap is going to transform a dead bleached skin to life. It's going to bring it back to life. So guys, this is all for the video. If this video was helpful, please kindly hit the red button below so you can subscribe to my channel and join this great family. Feel free also to share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime there is an upload coming from me. And also, if you need raw materials, we sell authentic and original raw materials. And we also do professional trainings for those people that want to start their skincare business on a clean note. And also, if you are into skincare business already and you want to get your product registered with NAFDAC, you can register under us using our factory for your registration. If you are interested, send us a message. We are going to tell you the procedure and what to do. So guys, this is the finished product. See you all in my next video. Can you see this soap? Can you see the texture of this soap? So luxurious. Can you see? Just like peanut butter. Imagine this soap on your skin. Just imagine. If you need this soap, send me a message. Whether in wholesale you want to resell, just send me a message. Or for personal use, send me a message. So see you all in my next video.